Prince William showcased his versatility as both a royal leader and hands-on participant during an action-packed day with the Welsh Guards on Salisbury Plain. From firing a sniper rifle to piloting advanced drones, the future king dove into military operations while keeping morale high among the troops. Here's a closer look at how William balanced camaraderie, precision, and royal duties in one remarkable visit. Dressed in military combat attire, Prince William, 42, embraced his role as Colonel of the Welsh Guards during his visit to the 1st Battalion on Salisbury Plain. Arriving by helicopter and later donning a protective vest and helmet, the prince was ready to observe the regiment's return to field duties after an intense period of ceremonial responsibilities. This regiment, known for its prominent role in historical events such as Queen Elizabeth II's funeral and King Charles III's coronation, is now focusing on specialized field operations and regrowing its weapons capabilities, a shift William was keen to witness firsthand. His engagement began with a demonstration of the regiment's sniper capabilities. William fired the British-made Accuracy International L11583 sniper rifle, impressing the Welsh Guards with his precision as he struck a target 500 meters away. "I really enjoyed that," he remarked, before engaging in discussions with the sniper team, who shared insights into the rifle's impressive range and accuracy. The platoon commander described William as down-to-earth and highly engaged, with a sharp understanding of the soldier's mindset. William's hands-on approach continued as he joined a machine gun training session. Equipped with ear defenders, the prince operated the GPMG, general-purpose machine gun, completing a full round with enthusiasm. His interest extended beyond weaponry as he inquired about soldiers' work-life balance, even sharing a light-hearted moment by joking about their commanding officer being out of earshot. This mix of humor and genuine concern resonated strongly with the troops, who described his visit as a significant morale boost. High-tech innovation also captured William's attention when he was given the opportunity to pilot one of the regiment's new drones. These cutting-edge, 7,500-pound unmanned aerial systems have revolutionized modern warfare, offering advanced tracking capabilities in combat scenarios. Operating the drone in follow-me and cameraman modes, William marveled at its precision and joked about the paperwork likely involved in its use. According to the battalion's senior drone operator, the prince's interest and hands-on involvement left a strong impression, reinforcing his leadership credentials. The visit came on the heels of another significant engagement, where William, alongside Oman's Crown Prince Thizan bin Haytham, inaugurated the Jewel of Arabia expedition in London. This project, co-patronied by William, focuses on promoting Oman's biodiversity while addressing environmental challenges. William's remarks at the event highlighted his commitment to conservation and his Earthshot Prize initiative. While he won't be joining the expedition team retracing Bertram Thomas's historic journey through Oman, the prince expressed enthusiasm about visiting in the future to further his environmental work. Prince William's day with the Welsh Guards demonstrated his ability to balance ceremonial duties, military precision, and personal connection with troops. Whether piloting drones, firing sniper rifles, or sharing a laugh with soldiers, his leadership resonated on a deeply human level. As he continues to champion causes like environmental conservation and military excellence, William's dynamic approach to his royal role is winning admiration both at home and abroad.